Hey, what's going on, guys? So, I got back from the store. I grabbed two different Mountain Dew drinks which I wanted to try, so I'll do some videos on these. This is one of them, of course. I am in front of the bookcase. Now it has some books in it. This is actually Christina's kind of side. My side's over there, which is uglier, but has a lot more books, knife stuff, lighters, you name it. I'll show you that in the future. That'll be a video. I'll just kind of showcase it because most of my books are actually there, like 99% of what I have. So it's nice to kind of see it all together. Right now it's just kind of just thrown up there. I want to actually categorize it. I want to have like all firearm stuff, you know, all knife related stuff, then, you know, lighters and so forth. So in the future I'll do that. It's a whole separate project. Today we're looking at this Mountain Dew. This is Freedom Fusion Dew. All right, so I guess this came out around 4th of July. I just happened to miss the boat on it. I did not see a 0-calorie version of this. Let me know if it exists. That'd be nice. But this one is supposed to be Mountain Dew with a blast of lemonade and peach, which seems random. I love lemonade. I like peach. I don't know if I've ever had peach lemonade. Oh, that sounds really good too. If you just make a straight up lemonade, throw some chunks of fresh peach in there. Sounds good, just not a common mix, I guess. Okay. So it doesn't smell like Mountain Dew. The initial smell when I opened it up was just pure peach, like Snapple peach. That's exactly what it smelled like. But there's also something lemony in the background. Mostly peach, a little bit of lemon, no dew. Cheers. Let's see. Oh, actually, I got glass. What am I doing? I grabbed the glass here so I can show it to you. All right. So let me, hold on, put the top on here. Put this bottle off to the side. I could drink it like a civilized person right out of the glass. I will say I kind of prefer drinking out of a bottle or drinking out of a can. A can specifically. If I ever have the option between a bottle and a can, I'll definitely pick a can. Alright, so obviously the bottle's clear, so you already saw it, but it's kind of a milky white. I just smell even more peach now that's opened up, but I also smell a little bit of that Mountain Dew in the background. So that lemony thing is the lemon lime Mountain Dew flavor that it has. Alright, anyway, cheers. Okay. Yeah, that's actually really good. Damn, that's really good. So, obviously, Mountain Dew already has a citrus lemon lime flavor. So this is definitely just a peach Mountain Dew. Now, they could have spun this any which way. Summertime juicy peach, you know, it's all in marketing. But obviously this one being, you know, patriotic here. The fireworks in the background and it looks like a bald eagle wearing a old-timey football helmet maybe. You know, a star holding a boombox. You can see that there. But yeah, it's just, I mean, it's really good. It's really, really good. If you drink Mountain Dew and you think, I'd love if this tasted like peach, that's what it is. I can tell you I recently had a Busch Light peach. Not because I like Busch, not because I like Busch Light, but I saw an image of it, and I wanted to try it. That's it. It was just, it was pretty good. If you like, you know, super cheap beer, that really tasted a lot, because like Busch is, for me, I know it's super cheap. People buy 30 packs. If you're drinking all the time, I get it. Bunch of dudes, everyone's broke. Or maybe you just like Busch. I don't know. I don't know. So, but it could go for any of like the big adjunct lager beers, just all the, across the board, you know, Coors and Bud and, you know, you name it. They're all just, you know, cheaper beers in general. But I know Busch is like getting down there with like Natty Ice, you know, and maybe Pabst. Although Pabst is kind of like, I don't know, that's hipster beer now, isn't it? Anyway, the point is that if you don't like beer flavor, but want cheap beer, that Busch Light peach tasted really mostly like peach. It was like if you had carbonated peach soda and like, I don't know, it was old, it was a little funky. That alcohol part was like the little bit of a funk at the end there. It was mostly peach. So that might be great for, you know, party if you want to bring some beer, but not everyone's into beer. I don't know, just saying. Anyway, I'm only bringing it up because this is basically peach flavor Mountain Dew. But I approve. Thumbs up. I like it. So yeah, that's it. So stay tuned. I'll have another video with the other flavor in a little bit. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Of course, if you tried this, let me know in the comment section what you think. And again, let me know if there's a 0 version of this. I would definitely try the 0 version as well. These sodas are sometimes hit and miss, where sometimes the 0 version has more of that main flavor, and sometimes not. Sometimes the opposite. It's definitely sweet. Like, I can feel it. Like, it's just, I actually don't like drinking full sugar sodas anymore. It's almost too sweet. You know what I mean? It's almost desserty. Like, I couldn't really have this with food. By itself, I can have it. It's delicious. But, again, I stay away from this stuff. If I have any kind of soda or pop, as some people call it, I really try to do sugar-free or diet or something like that. So, anyway, that's it. And so far this summer, I've actually been doing a lot of lemonade. Country Time lemonade powder, but, like, really watering it down so I can, like, chug glasses of it but not have all that sugar. So that works out great. Like, if you made a normal pitcher of it, that one pitcher would be like 3 gallons of what I'm drinking, because it's mostly water, just has that little bit of flavor in the background. Works out good, very, you know, minimal carbs and sugar and all that stuff. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later, or tomorrow, with a brand new video. I forgot my own exit, my own outro, if you will. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.